Hello everyone, here is a very simple loosening Qigong exercise for you to help release tension that may have built up in the shoulders, maybe in the arms and the hands. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift the shoulders up as we breathe in through the nose, and then we breathe out through the mouth with the mouth open, as if we're saying the sound ha. We want to have completely loose arms, as if the arms are just like pieces of string and the hands are like heavy weights attached to the shoulders by these pieces of string. So it's a very simple thing. I want to, as I breathe in, have the tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth, but the back of the tongue down, so there's a hollow at the back of the mouth and the upper part of the throat. So relax your feet, slightly unlock the knees, chin slightly down, long at the back of the neck, crown suspended. So it's going to be like this. I'm going to breathe in, and as you can see, the out breath happens as the shoulders drop. Now we want to avoid the tendency to allow the head to wobble like this as the shoulders drop. That's a very common thing people do. As the shoulders drop down, we want to feel that the crown is lifted up more so the spine lengthens as the shoulders drop. So I'm going to do this 6 times. I'm not going to speak, I'm just going to breathe and do the exercise. So please feel free, follow along. Now the other variation, I'm going to lift the wrists out to the side, let the hands just relax. The elbows should be heavy and sunk and the shoulders drop as the hands go up. So I'm going to breathe in like this. Out through the mouth. And again. There you go. Very simple exercise. Have fun with that.